In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a black screen with a mouse cursor issue in Windows. This annoying problem can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, as we'll work through a series of simple and effective steps to get everything back up and running smoothly. First, let's start with a quick and effective key combination. Press the Windows key, Control, Shift, and the letter B simultaneously. By doing this, you're instructing Windows to reset the display driver. If successful, you should hear a short beep and see the screen flicker momentarily. This action effectively refreshes the graphics driver, which can often resolve minor display issues like the one we're experiencing. Next, let's access the Task Manager. Press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete simultaneously. A menu will appear from which you should select Task Manager. If it opens, that indicates your system is still responsive, offering a positive sign that the problem is more limited to the display. Moving on, another aspect to look into is the display mode. To cycle through different display setups, press the Windows key and P together. Then press P again, followed by Enter. This allows you to switch between various modes such as PC screen only, duplicate, or extend, which may solve the black screen issue if it's related to an incorrect display setup. If you find these initial steps don't resolve the problem, it might be necessary to perform a full restart of your computer. To do this, hold down the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device powers down completely. This action will force your computer to restart, which can sometimes iron out more stubborn issues. Now, if after these steps the problem persists, you might need to access Safe Mode or the Windows Recovery Environment, also known as WinRe. These modes allow you to troubleshoot issues without the full operating system running, and from here you can attempt more advanced fixes. Finally, if none of the previous solutions have resolved the issue, there are last resort options available. Consider restoring your system to a previous working state via a restore point, if one was created earlier. This process undoes recent changes that might be causing the problem. Alternatively, resetting your PC to factory settings is an option, crucially with an option to keep your personal files intact. This can effectively eliminate software-related issues while preserving your important data. I hope you found this guide helpful. By systematically working through each step, you should be well on your way to resolving the black screen with a cursor issue. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful content.